How to make video background transparent in Canva. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva homepage. So now go to the create, come to the any canvas and come to the presentation and select any canvas size. I just take this one. Okay, normal presentation size. Okay, now you can upload your video. If you have your own video, you can upload from here. After you upload, you can find your video here. You have to just select that. The video will be insert here. Okay, for now I just use Canva video only, so I just search for meditation or okay, meditation video. So we have the video here. I choose anyone, so I just choose this one. Okay, this is my video. Okay, now if you want to make transparent, then okay, you can resize this video, okay, like this. Okay, and now you can see the canvas, our canvas size little bit more. Okay, if you increase this size, video size, then our video site will be cut. Okay, it will be crop like. Okay, so what you need to do for this, just expand your video like this, go to the position and check your video size. This is your video size. Okay, first you need to select that video, then go to the position. You can here you can see your video size. Now select on canvas, go to the resize, go to the custom site, and here you can change your canvas size as same as your video size. Okay, after that click on resize this design, it will be resized. Now you can make it proper fit to the canvas after resize the canvas size. Okay, now if you want to make it transparent background, just select that video and click on BG remover. Then this background will be removed and it will be look like transparent. You can also put any video as a background. Okay, you can upload from here, or if you have one video you can upload from here, or I just search video in Canva only. Okay, I choose this one. Choose this, it will be insert in videos. Now just right click on it and set it as a background. So this is my video. Okay, this is a Canva design. Okay, this is not actually video file. You can see this length. Now you can download is a mp4, download it. And if you want to edit this design as a video, now then you need to just select that page. Okay, if you don't if this page not not visible like this to you, then go to the page option, it will be visible to you. Now go to this option and go to the edit as a video. Now you can see all elements. Okay, so as a background we have two video here, and this is our main video. Okay, here you can see the all positions, layers, and here you can see the all layers. You can add audio if you want. You can record your own audio, you can generate from AI. And here we have the some audios example. You can search audio here, like if you want meditation music, you can search here like this and just preview from here. After preview, just select it, it will be apply here. Now just drag as a video size and just play. Now you can see. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.